You may have seen many Ghibli images on social media. It's a new trend. In this video, we'll show you how to generate these Ghibli-style images using AI. For this, we'll use ChatGPT and Grok AI. First, let's start with ChatGPT. Open the ChatGPT app, and make sure it's updated. If an update is available, install it. Then, click the photo button and select your images. When you click it, you'll access your gallery. Choose the photo you want to convert into a Ghibli-style image. For example, I'll select this one. Click the Add button, and enter your prompt. The prompt I'm using is generate a Ghibli-style image of this photo. You can refine it, like adding, keep the background the same or make it similar to the original. Then, click Send, and the image will generate. There was an issue with that photo, so I uploaded a different one. Here, you can see it's processing. This may take some time. Note that with ChatGPT, only paid subscribers can generate unlimited Ghibli images. Without a subscription, you're limited to 3 images per day. For unlimited generations, try Grok AI instead. Now, the image is ready. Another method is using Grok AI. Download the Grok Beta app or use the X app. In the X app, scroll down to find Grok, or open it directly. Both will lead you here. Click the plus button, select your photo, I'll choose this one, then add it. Enter the same prompt as before. And click Send. The Ghibli image generation will begin. Here's the first generated image, and more will follow. This method is unlimited, so you can create as many as you like. That's how easy it is to generate Ghibli-style images. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.